Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to discuss about SadBor. What is SadBor? This is a person or a digital persona or marketing internet persona from Indonesia. I'm from Indonesia, by the way, and it became so viral nowadays. It might be you heard about him, okay? Actually, this person is so famous right now in Indonesia. So basically, SadBor gain money by dance on TikTok. So they dance, not only himself. So not only he dances in front of the camera, but also he invite all his friends from the village, from very rural area in Indonesia, dance on TikTok and gain money from gifts and stickers. Simple. Wow. Let me show you the account. Okay, this is the person. The name is SadBor Joget. What the name is SadBor and Joget in Indonesia means dance. Okay, basically he only dance like this. See, he only dance like this. See, this person is really funny. The dance is so funny. He doing that maybe for 8 hours per day, and then hoping for people give them a stickers and gifts and gain money from it. Actually, that's really creative things to gain money, to to make money. It's really creative thing, I think. But to be honest with you guys, many people not agree with this kind of way to raise money or to gain money. As simple as people could do anything rather than just dancing in front of the camera. Wow. For me, I really respect the SadBor. I really respect this person, this man, because he himself could make the village live, could make his village become so famous in Indonesia. And I really respect, even if so many people, especially on the comments, talk bad about this person. But for me, I really respect this person. See, what he's doing, only dancing and dancing and dance. Simple. At the first I saw him, on my mind I thought, is there no any other jobs than dancing on TikTok? And time by time goes by, I realized that this person is something. He, what I respect most about him is because he become an alpha male on his village. He able to what we call it. He able to drive the village, people from his village, to do the same thing, to gain money, the same thing with what he's doing. That's great. Not many people able to doing that. Not many people could hear by another or could persuade another person. That's the cool thing. So respect SadBor. If you never known about SadBor, please look up on his TikTok account. You can find this SadBor Joget. That's yeah. You can look up by yourself. So that's it. This video. The thing is, what I want to tell you is, on today's era, anyone could make money through the internet. Really, become more and more easier for us to expose ourselves to the world, and could make money on it. So for you who trying to start and never done it, never getting started, see this person, SadBor Joget. You look up for yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.